So we're investing a lot in creating those exact models. Now, that's a great question, because I think that's the main area where we're investing our time. Because at the end of the day, a lot of times AI, for example, if we take, generic AI, it's 60% correct. And a lot of times, it tries to give you nice answers. And managing systems like us, it's telling the AI, okay, you just use our models. So if I have a mistake in one of my models, I'm giving you a bad recommendation. So we're investing a lot in creating those exact models based on doctrine, measuring the right data, then talking about those right models about behaviors and how can we understand this is the right behaviors. For example, in Forecast, we took 30 years of military events, 30 years of crisis events regarding first responders, how people actually reacted and behaved. And at the end of the day, we in this case, we take bias out, because the models we create, they take data out, bias out.